For the fucking cap gun? Bro, what the fuck, bro?
You just got banned? I'll tell this fools not to do that shit.
Bro, what the fuck, man? Bro, they just ended my shit.
Yo, y'all show the countdown, baby.
Bro,
I'm getting irritated.
Show the countdown,
Get this book more quickly.
ended my shit for that.
How did they get your shit?
Like he banned?
Yes.
Get that nigga out of here, man. Hey, we can't have no camera.
Wait, ain't no way they just banned you for that.
Put him on camera.
Wait, what?
Banned you for what?
Bro, look.
It's no way they banned you for that. Oh, that's YouTube.
Fuck do you mean? Like,
Oh, good.
Nigga, I'm thinking you talking about Twitch.
nigga, YouTube is just important.